Hello everyone. Today I'll be looking about or cooking some coconut drops. These coconut drops will be prepared for a special school occasion today. I got about 6 coconuts and I went ahead and cut them up in bite sizes. Now I'm just cutting them a little finer. Now I am pouring out my sugar into my measuring cup. I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar. I have washed my coconuts after cutting and I have my cinnamon leaves and my ginger that are chopped and ready. I also have my rose water and my vanilla ready. All these ingredients are necessary. Now I am adding my salt, next my cinnamon leaves, my ginger, all these spice, the ginger and the cinnamon leaves will give it a great flavor. I'll be adding my coconuts. I've chopped 6 coconut, guys. My ginger have been grated. You can grate, you can chop, you can blend, whatever you like. Now that I've added all my ingredients to my boiling water, I am gonna allow it to cook for about 45 minutes before I add my sugar. Coconut can be tough sometimes, so allow it to cook for about 45 minutes, especially when they are extra dry. It is almost 45 minutes, and I'm checking on my coconut to make sure that they are cooking well. By this time, there's less water into my pot, and my coconuts are cooked. I will go ahead and remove my cinnamon leaves and add my sugar to my pot and the rest of the ingredients that are necessary. Only the cinnamon leaves you should remove from your pot at this time. The ginger should remain once you have chopped it or grated fine enough. Add brown sugar for color. White sugar can be used, but not if you want the natural brown color. Now I have gone ahead and cut banana leaves, wash them, dry them. Now I am heating them so that it can quail over the fire because I'm gonna put my drops on it. It is said once you quail the banana leaves, the drops won't stick to the leaves. If you don't have access to banana leaves, guys, it's okay to use foil paper, but I am doing it the traditional way today. Traditionally, our grandparents used banana leaves. Now that it is almost done, guys, this is the time we add our vanilla and our rose water. These two helps to give it a great flavor also, in combination with our ginger and cinnamon leaves and sugar. Use a wooden spoon to check and turn. Make sure it's not burning or itching to the spot. Now that our drops has been cooked, all our ingredients has been added. This time for us to turn off our stove since the consistency is right and we don't want it to burn. Here the drops will come together at this stage and set properly when placed on the banana leaf. So we're gonna use our wooden spoon and take up the coconut from the pot, drop them on the banana leaf or place them on the banana leaf. Each spoon you drop, you put it somewhere else. So you will form one drops right there. Allow the drops to cool for 20 to half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour before trying to move it. If you try to move it before, it can crumble since it has not set properly. So there you have it, guys. Here's our drops in our foil pan. It tastes great and look great. Thanks for watching, guys.